Hello everybody, my name is Shruti and welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another vlog. So today I'm gonna take you guys along with me for the shopping to the Brigade Road and Commercial Street. I haven't been there since a year and a half and I'm really excited to go for offline shopping and get something for myself. And the special occasion is my birthday, so I'm going to get there. I am shopping just 2 days before my birthday. I think this is the part of adulting and you are no more excited for your birthday. Yeah, that's what is happening with me right now. So I'm excited to shop and go around, see the place, see what all have changed in this year and a half, and see what I can get, whether I can get the same things and get all the fun things I used to do before when I used to go to the shopping. So let's see what it is. I'm going there with my baby sisters. So here I have my baby sisters. So are you excited for the shopping?
Yes, because Shruti is going to give me a lot of things today.
Hopefully. And who is supposed to get gifted? Is it you or me?
Of course, it's me.
It's my birthday. She wants gift for herself. So if you like this vlog, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post any YouTube videos. And let's go then. Hey guys, so after lots of traffic we reached here finally. So how are you feeling?
So hot over here, like बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, ऊपर से बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक, तो I feel exhausted.
So let's
we'll
go.
have something now.
We are having something?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
I think we can have some lime juice, lime soda.
You want lime juice?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's your mask? Let's go. Sanitized?
Yes.
So we have come to this Tibetan place. Tibetan. Hey guys, so we have come to Commercial Street now. So trying to go inside this. Let's see what is happening. We are just a little hungry, so grabbing some snacks. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm disappointed to the core. Not really getting anything which is like I want.
and we are just trying to find again. How is the juice?
No, bro.
No?
I cannot do it.
Let's try. Let's go again. I'm not finding anything, and this is very surprising. Like, I'm finding things, but not like how I want. Let's go. Let's keep the spirits high and search again. We got some really cute tops for daily wears and for office wear and for the dance and everything. So now again we are in search of the body dress. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So if you come here, this is the Pick Mart. You can find the parking over here. You can pay and park over there, and it's safe. Otherwise, you'll get caught by the police and they'll seize your vehicle. Hello.
Hi, madam.
How are you?
Good, madam.
Hey guys, so I have come to this very special place where you only get the jeans of a perfect size, okay? And for a person like me who to get the perfect jeans, it's very difficult. And this man over here owns the shop, and it's called Jeans Joint in Commercial Street. You have to check it out. I'll be putting the link in the description, and you can see how people have given their opinions. If you're somebody who is finding for a perfect jeans, you have to visit this store. Hey you guys, so I'll be showing you all the clothes what I got from Commercial Street. Actually I went there in order to get the birthday outfit, but I couldn't really get one because मैंने जो order किया था online वो नहीं आ पा रहा था. That's why I went for offline shopping, but when I went there, I really didn't get something what I was looking for. I was particularly looking for a gown or a skirt which has a single slit so that it looks amazing if I wear it on birthday. I didn't really get something which I was looking for. Instead, I got some really cute tops and jeans which I can wear anywhere, anytime, and I think it's gonna help you guys as well. So I got all the tops from the store called Naughty, which is just below the Texas Mart. I'll also be giving you the Google location so that it is easy for you guys to go ahead and get one for you guys. And the shopkeeper doesn't really bargain, so there's no point of you guys bargaining with him. You can try your luck, but I tried. It didn't really work for me. And I also got this black skirt which has a single slit. The moment I saw that, I really wanted to get that dress because I wanted to use that for my dance videos, for my dance YouTube channel. If you don't know, I'm a dancer by the way. So I really want to shoot a video by wearing that, but COVID khatam hone ke baad hi we can shoot. So just waiting for that. This skirt is retailing for rupees 350 or 400. I don't really remember the exact price as of now because it's been a while, and I've already washed these clothes for 2 times and must say that these clothes are really of good quality. And I also got jeans from the Commercial Street. There's a store called Jeans Joint which only has the jeans, and they are having a wide range of collection, and it is available for all size, even the plus size. They have all kind of jeans. If you're somebody who are looking for jeans and who if you tried it at every mall and it doesn't really fit you, I think you should go there and check them out. When it comes to the price range, you can really bargain with them. I personally shop from there. It's been like 4 years I've been shopping over there, and every time I bargain. You can bargain up to the margin of 300 to 500 depending upon the bargaining skill. So without further delay, let's get into the video and show you guys what all I got. I hope you like it. If you did, do not forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that notification bell in order to get notified whenever I post a video on my YouTube. And comment down and let me know what all you want to watch on my YouTube channel, because I'm a new content creator. I really want your help in order to grow. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is me, Shruti Shidling, signing off as of now, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, double mask, sanitize, and take care.